You launch Netflix, you want to watch the next episode of your series, and then boom, an error message pops up telling you to disable your VPN, even though you pay for your subscription every month. Yep, Netflix is blocking more and more VPNs, but there are still ways around it, and honestly, it's simpler than you think. First, you need to understand one thing. Netflix doesn't use some magical technology to detect VPNs. They do something much more basic. They block IP addresses. When too many people use the same VPN server, Netflix flags it as a shared IP and blocks it. That's why your VPN worked yesterday but doesn't work today. And the worst part, you can get this error even without using a VPN. Some internet providers use shared or poorly configured IP addresses, and Netflix thinks you're trying to bypass restrictions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error. Alright, let's get into it. If Netflix is blocking your VPN, it's not the end of the world. It just means the server you're using looks suspicious to them. First thing to do, switch profiles. It sounds simple, but it often works. If you only have one profile, you can create a new one in just a few seconds. Definitely worth trying. Second thing to do, switch servers. Not all servers are blocked. Some VPNs, like CyberGhost, even show which server work with Netflix. If you use that kind of VPN, choose the servers optimized for Netflix. Otherwise, avoid major cities. London, New York, Tokyo, those are usually the first being targeted. Try less obvious cities instead, like Manchester, Denver, or Osaka. Next, check whether your VPN offers stealth modes or obfuscation. Netflix doesn't just look at IP addresses, they also analyze traffic patterns. Stealth modes make your VPN traffic look like regular internet traffic. Result, it becomes much harder to detect. If you see options like obfuscated servers or no borders, turn them on. And if that's still not enough, stay with me, we've got more solutions. If it still doesn't work, it's time for the next level. First, your browser. Clear the cache and delete cookies. Netflix may still be using all data to figure out your location. Log out, clear everything, restart and test again. On mobile or TV, force close the app, switch servers, then reopen it. Sometimes a reinstall fixes the issue. Next, check your DNS. Some VPNs leak DNS requests, and that's when Netflix sees your real location. Enable DNS leak protection in your VPN. And if you want to be sure, run a test on browserleaks.com. And if it still doesn't work after all that, the issue may be your VPN itself. And here, let's be honest, not all VPNs are created equal. Free VPNs, forget them right away. Same IP address shared by everyone, so they get blocked first. And even some paid VPNs don't keep up. They don't refresh their IP addresses often enough. Good VPNs for Netflix, like ExpressVPN and NordVPN, regularly rotate their servers to stay under the radar. And if your VPN keeps getting blocked, it's probably time to switch. Some services even offer Netflix-optimized servers, like CyberGhost, or support teams that tell you exactly which servers still work. Before switching, contact their support first. Sometimes they already have the fix. If you are not sure which VPN to choose, I'd recommend trying ExpressVPN, which works very well overall for Netflix, NordVPN, which is also very effective, or CyberGhost, which has servers optimized for Netflix. You'll find the links to the best current deals in the description. And if you choose NordVPN, use the code VCLUB to get extra 3 months. Now let's look at the case when you're not even using a VPN. If Netflix says you're using a VPN, even though you're not, no, you're not crazy. It's actually pretty common. Often the issue comes from your internet provider. First thing to try, restart your router. If you have a dynamic IP, you may get a new one that isn't blocked. Next, check your IP address on Google. If the location looks strange, that's a problem. In that case, change your DNS. You can use the Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. That alone can fix the error. Also, disable any suspicious browser extensions. And if you're on public or work Wi-Fi, switch to 4G or 5G and test again. If nothing works, it's possible Netflix made a mistake. Yes, it happens. In that case, contact their support directly. Have you already fixed this problem before? Tell me in the comments what worked for you. It will probably help other people too. And if this video helped you, like and subscribe. See you soon!